Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. Yesterday we have discussed some important moment that upward action could become the big trap for those who will take the bullish position too early with the gold market. And we have called you be extra careful and look at the cautious on suspicious on the any upward action. Do not take the long position at least till the end of the current week, because upward action could be not quite the real reversal and could be just the trap, as I said. So what we have in reality on the gold market right now. So the one trader, I today have posted traders update on the current situation and some talks on the traders on the current situation on the gold market, and one trader has said everything with the two just phrases. So the first, he said that if even rate will be hike, so be will not be if rate will not be raised, the upside potential for the gold will be limited, because the hazard of the rate hiking will hang upon the gold market and will not let it to grow too significant. But if rate will be raised, so that will press on the gold market and will force it to drop lower. And by these words, everything has been said. So that's my opinion either on the gold market. And currently on the technical picture, as you can see what we have. Yes, market has shown some upward action, and by this action market has retested the previous lows. That's very typical for the gold market. Now it stands at this resistance. Market almost has completed the harmonic swing, so it could climb a couple of bucks higher, so approximately 11.27, 11.28, to complete this harmonic swing that's equals to this one. Simultaneously, as you can see, the MACD predictor stands very close to the current price action, as we're expecting the rising of the volatility on the Fed speech. This really could lead us to forming of the grabber pattern. If market will form the bearish grabber, this will mean the taking out of these lows and will lead market directly to the 1080 lows. This will be a really clear definition if market will form this pattern today. That is what we have on the daily chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we see even worse situation for the bulls, because currently market stands at very significant resistance. First of all, this is the confidence resistance on the 4-hour time frame chart, 11.25. Better to say 11.26, 11.29. That is also weekly pivot resistance one, and that is also target of this A, B, C, bottom, D patterns, 1618 extension. So this is some call, maybe some sort of the agreement, although I prefer that the target stands a bit closer to the confidence. Anyway, that's also the completion of this ABCD pattern. So that's really strong resistance here. This market has reached. Also, guys, it's interesting that as we know, the weekly pivot resistance one should hold upside retracement within the bear trend. As long as it holds it, we could treat this action just as a retracement. It's not a reversal. If market will break through this area, break through the weekly pivot resistance one, that could lead to the short-term trend shifting and could lead to the deeper upward action. But right now, as you can see, market stands in this resistance, and this really shows that significant resistance. Also keep an eye on the daily chart. That's also, as we said, previous lows resistance, natural support resistance line. On the hourly chart, guys, the question stands our question: what could really happen? So market has formed this triangle, has shown this breakout. Now the question is, could market form the butterfly here, reach 11.27 or 11.25 area, or better 11.27, and use this butterfly for reversal down? Our answer is why not? Because on the daily chart we see that market hasn't quite completed the harmonic swing and it could move a bit slightly higher. Today MACD predictor stands at 25.34. It means that if market even will complete the minor butterfly 25.60, it will form the bearish grabber on the daily chart. It could form, if of course market will not skyrocket it again. And as you can see, the overall situation is really thrilling, and the probability stands on mostly in favor of bears, because market here is forming some pattern. Market stands in strong resistance, and currently market doesn't show any unnatural, and market hasn't erased yet the overall bearish context. All that market has shown is just reaction on yesterday's poor inflation data on the United States. That's all. That's why, again, as we have said yesterday, we repeat it again, please avoid. We call you to not take any long positions today, or at least probably till the current week, because guys, if this will be really a reversal in the gold market, if the market will really show a rally, you will have a lot of time to take the long position, because that will not be limited by just small swing, and market will not turn to the downside again if this will be really a reversal. But we suggest and suspect that the chances on the real reversal in the gold market right now are very small. But if we will be right, and this will be really the trap for the bulls or for traders who see this rally, taking the long position, placing the stops just below it, don't forget what we have said about our A, B, C, top, D pattern. The target hasn't been completed yet. This target is still here, and market will gravitate to this target. But if it will be right, we will get the answer very soon. You could get the perfect setup for the short entry here. As soon as market will form the grabber, or even earlier, if you were watching for intraday charts, you could watch for the butterfly. As soon as market will form the butterfly, you could get the entry possibility even earlier, before market will form the daily grabber, because butterfly could become the part of this daily grabber. So you can see currently it's better, and it's safer to watch for bearish setups because they are just stronger, mostly because market stands at the strong resistance area. You have the strong resistance on your back than the watching for long positions here. So that's our current view on the gold market, and currently gold is very interesting and thrilling, and it's really promising, because we could get really fascinating setup. We could get really great pattern on the daily chart that will promise us and will give us the direction for a significant distance, and we probably definitely will use it as soon as it will be formed. We just call you to not hurry, not be too hasty with making the decision on one side you would like to play, because currently this could be the doom and gloom session. As soon as the Fed will start its speech, volatility could rise significantly, and it's not necessary to take the unnecessary risk right now. So that's our current opinion on the gold market.